Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy and I'm so glad that you are here. This week we've been learning God So Loved the World by We the Kingdom. Today we are learning the chorus, and the great news is that if you know John 3:16, you've already got this chorus memorized. So it should be a little simpler than yesterday's verse 1. I know there was a lot of vocab, so we'll get right to it after housekeeping. Remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below this video, in the description, you're going to find lots of helpful links like printing off the lyrics. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel or check out the website, signlanguageworship.com. Okay, so, for God so loved the world that he gave us, his one and only Son to save us. Whoever believes in him will live forever. That's the chorus. Okay, so God is a B in front of your face. God so loved, okay? It's like you're gonna give yourself a hug. So loved the world. So for this, you're making W's. Okay, you're gonna take your dominant hand W and go around your non-dominant hand W. Okay? The world that he, pointing to God in heaven, and then gave us. So you're making a G looks like that, and it's a directional sign. Since God is giving us, imagine start your G's up in heaven and come down towards you. Okay? God gave. So because it's a directional sign, you don't need to sign us, but you can if you'd like. That's the letter U, those two fingers together, going from your dominant shoulder to your non-dominant shoulder. Okay, let's try that from the top. God so loved the world that he gave us his one and only Son. His one, and then only, turn it around like this, only Son to save us. So for Son, you're gonna start here. This signifies male because it's the ball cap, or the cap, the hat, and then you come down here, Son, okay? He gave us his Son, and then save. So for save, you're gonna make S's. You're gonna start with your arms crossed, saved, okay? Saved, and then us, a U, around like that. Whoever believes in him will live forever. So who, now if you only want to fit in who, that's fine, okay? So it's just like this. So you kind of make like a question mark with your index finger, okay? Who, but if you want to do whoever, it's whoever, okay? Whoever believes, so something here is in your mind and you're sure of it, okay? Believes in him, pointing to God in heaven, will live, making L's, coming in towards your body and then up into your belly, up to your ribs, okay? Will live, then forever. Take your index finger here, go around, and turn the direction, switch your hands so your thumb and your pinky are out, and then push it like that, okay? And that's the chorus. Let's practice it a few times, okay? For God so loved the world that he gave us his one and only Son to save us. Whoever believes in him, sorry, I don't think I said that before. Sorry, little mistake. So you don't have to do in, you can just do him. But if you wanted to do in, you make a little hole, then tuck in, okay? In him will live forever. And let's do that again. For God so loved the world that he gave us his one and only Son to save us. Whoever believes in him will live forever. One more time, because who doesn't love it once you get it, right? Let's practice it one more time. God so loved the world that he gave us his one and only Son to save us. Whoever believes in him will live forever. Okay, so that is chorus day. I hope you guys got it with a little less trouble than verse 1, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. I think this next section is a verse. I'm gonna call it a verse, but it does repeat a second time in the song, so I don't identify myself as a musician. So we're gonna learn the next part of the song, and I hope to see you there. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.